Today I want to share with you one easy, inexpensive thing that you can do that will save you a lot of money in your home maintenance in the long run. What's that one thing? It has to do with gutters. So what should you be doing each year with your gutters? They need to be cleaned out, and you need to make sure that the downspouts are extended away from the house. I can tell you, after selling real estate for 19 years now, one of the biggest problems that we see that home inspectors love to find and often find is moisture problems in the crawl space. And the majority of the time, that moisture comes from downspouts, from either gutters not being extended away from the house so that the water drains away from the house and the gutter dumps at the foundation and water goes back into the crawl space, or the gutters are full of leaves and it just runs over the top and dumps right at the base of the foundation. And where does that water go? The place of least resistance, right back into the crawl space. And whenever you have moisture and water standing in your crawl space, moisture there for a long period of time, it's not a great environment. That's when it can be conducive to mold and mildew and other things in your crawl space. And when home inspectors find that, they say, oh, we got problems in the crawl space, we got moisture, we got to deal with it. So if you're a homeowner and you have a crawl space, make sure you extend your gutters out. The extenders can be bought at Lowe's or Home Depot. They're very cheap. And make sure you either clean your gutters yourself or have someone clean them at least once a year. And for our property management division, we actually do that on all of our properties. We have the gutters cleaned every year, the early part of the year. Once the leaves have fallen, clean those things out. Because the other thing, even if it's not dumping water at your crawl space, the other thing I've actually seen gutters that are full of leaves do is actually back up sometimes underneath the shingles and leak into the roof, and other times it will back up into the soffit and rot out the soffit and fascia board. So again, that's an easy thing. It's a little over $100 typically to have gutters cleaned, but it will definitely extend the life of your fascia and your soffit in your home, and it will make sure your crawl space stays as dry as possible.